Hey everyone, this is just going to be a quick unboxing of the Furibee F36. Comes in a pretty plain box. It has some information on the side. It's a 2.4 gigahertz drone, 360 version. It has some LED lights, a 6-axis gyro, and it does have a headless mode. Return to home, and then a high and low speed switch. Comes in a nice bright orange or a bluish cyan color. Alright. So it all comes pretty neatly packaged. So the drone's on top. Comes with a little baggie of accessories. Cheap little USB charger. It takes about 30 minutes to charge one of these batteries. Little 150 milliamp hour battery. Comes with a screwdriver and 4 extra props. And here's the remote. I already modified mine just a little. Not that you really need to, but just drilled a little hole in the top and took the antenna out of the casing there. This comes with a screw in the battery door. I already removed it. Takes 3 AAA batteries. Nice little small remote. It does not have altitude hold. And here's the drone. My version came with 2 batteries. You can get it with 1, 2, or 3. And these are just small little 150 milliamp 1-cell batteries. But here's the drone. It's extremely light. It's really small. It flies really well. I get roughly about a 4 to 5 minute flight time out of it. It's a lot of fun to fly. I actually fly it without the canopy on, like this. A little less weight. It flies a little bit better in my opinion. But that was just a quick unboxing of the Furibee drone. I'll have a flight video of it up a little bit later on. Let me know in the comments section if you want to see anything else. And have a great day.